Okay, so before we start this video, we don't do unibrows on this side. Y'all, 2 fingers apart. Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video, and this is going to be a quick updated or just my eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve my eyebrows, as you can see my eyebrows are very sparse, very light, then go ahead and continue to watch. Before we get into the tutorial, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. I feel like I'm getting a little sick, so my energy's a little bit low or whatever, but we always let. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, I do my base before I do my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is zoom you guys in really quick. And so now that we are up close and personal, you can take any, this is how I start. I take any spoolie brush, and this is the one that I usually use. I take any spoolie brush and I just, of course, brush my hairs upward. As you can see, I don't have many eyebrow hairs, so. Okay, so because I don't have many eyebrow hairs, I like to brush them upwards because for me, when you put the whatever you use on them, it just looks better after a while. So that's why I do it upward. I think everybody does that, but that's like legit my reasoning. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my angled liner brush, and this is from Pro. And I'm going to use my Morphe, this is the chocolate mousse brow cream. So I'm just gonna dab that in there. And then what I do is I just, of course, like everyone else does, I just do a line, but I do my line, like I feather my line. I don't do a harsh line. And now that I like my eyebrows, you see my eyebrows are a little straight, I kind of ignore it. And I go up a little bit and then bring it down. And this way I can create more of an arch because my eyebrows are really straight, so I want to create an arch. So the top line is really, really important if you want to be like me and create an arch. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come here and just go upward in the same motion. So that is the basic foundation of my brow. Then I take a little product and I just color it in. Very, very lightly. Because like I said, we don't have eyebrows on this side, so we want to make sure it looks a little bit like hair. So after I filled in this brow completely, which you all saw, and then my camera cut off, I went ahead and did this brow. So, as you can see, this brow is completed. Period. Okay. So what I do after I fill in the brows is I grab my spoolie brush again, and you're just going to start doing that, brushing your eyebrow hairs up. Just brush them up, especially if you have eyebrow hairs like mine, which love to go that way and are not very full. So you just brush it up, and then here I just lightly brush it in this way. Lightly, you won't want to mess it up. Lightly, and then you go again, brush it up like so, and then you might want to do it again. Okay, so this next step has actually become very crucial, which is surprising because when I first started using this product I didn't like it. But we're going to go in with our Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, and we're just going to gel these brows upward. This helps me keep my hair up, and for me it makes it look, I don't know, better, okay? So after that, honestly, this is the last step. All you have to do is clean it up. I use my, and you just want to make sure you're cleaning that up. and then the top. And then I just dab it like that just to make sure it blends in. If I don't like a brow, all I do is I go back a little bit with more product, because if it's a little bit darker or lighter, I just go like that and just kind of clean it up a little bit. And this is in efforts to make sure the darkness is similar. So as you can see, this one was a lot darker, but now that I'm adding more product, lightly you do this, it starts to look the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, because I feel like it's I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like my eyebrows gotta set a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and I'll come back and show you the completed look or whatever. Okay, you guys, so I finished my little professional natural beat look I was going for, and these are how the brows came out. To me, they look so natural. They look good. They're the arch that I'm looking for without it being all the way up to like my wig. Yeah. Tell me guys what you think. If this was an easy tutorial, if you have like thin eyebrows or thinner eyebrows like I do, let me know if this helped you out. Yes. Don't forget to join that flower again by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.